Today on Zero to Awesome, we invite Smokey the Bear over to play with matches.
We actually, I don't know what happened the last time I went camping, but apparently I just had a bucket full of matches. So we have many camping related things, which is good because we have 3/4 of a camper.
Yeah, so today we're going to work on finishing off the kitchen. We're going to go, this is just basically a random assortment of camping stuff that some of it we've used in the past, some of it's been, well, we've used it in the past, but it's been a really long time. Our parents actually moved recently, and we have a box of things we salvaged from our childhood.
Yeah, and some of this camping stuff, the last time it was used was on an overseas adventure, and I don't think I ever put it away properly, probably from jet lag, and so I don't know what this is all about.
So we're going to go through, figure out what needs to go in our kitchen, maybe build some organizational type things. We're also going to close off the front, which is going to be a table, and find some way to get rid of that.
Like, I don't think this is even mine. Did I get someone's luggage at the airport by accident? So I think first we need to figure out which of these essential items, like the bucket of matches, are going to go in Sarah Tara's kitchen.
We're keeping the bucket of matches.
Dishware.
Thank you for this pot.
Yes.
Pots.
Nesting pots.
Just like nesting Sarah Tara.
Uh-huh. Cooking utensils?
Absolutely.
Floaty stove.
So there's this fancy USB stove, which
Takes a lot less space.
it does, but that one's going to be way easier to cook on.
That's true. That's basically a fire in a box.
Yeah, so.
That one it is. Okay, what about this sponge that I found?
You gonna take a bath?
I don't know. I think
You use a sponge to take a bath.
sponge bath.
A sponge bath.
So, I do have this water jug from my moth days. But also, oh wait, that's not how that works. Hold on. And then this goes in there, and then that goes on there.
Instant
Yeah, and you have. Yeah, I need water in it, but. I mean, sometimes you just get dirty and there's no shower around. Or you poop a lot.
Baby pot?
This would nest nicely inside the other ones.
Oh,
A compass?
compass.
Oh my god. Wow, never thought I'd see this again.
That's Sarah Tara's air conditioning because her air conditioner doesn't work.
Oh, that's good. So that'll work. Wow, never thought I'd see this again.
Oh, fine silverware.
This stuff just been hanging out in their attic? That's rusty. Well, why is this stainless steel stained?
It adds flavor. Actually, that might be food. It tastes like
Just like rust.
first aid kit.
Oh.
Nothing in it.
Oh my god. This will nest even further inside of the nesting things. I think this is a saw.
So,
Yeah, this turns into a saw.
or it's a meat knife.
It could be for big meats.
Ooh,
Oh,
binoculars.
tiny binoculars? Those have to go in here.
Are these a kitchen item or are these just a?
This could be an adventure item. Keep them on the dashboard for adventures. Yeah, use them backwards. Use them to make everything.
There's people over there watching me.
Okay, before I open these, do you think there's strike anywhere or strike in one particular place?
Strike anywhere.
Damn, you're right.
No, there's strike it anywhere.
Wow, these are vintage. Look at the amount of wood used in this match.
Doesn't work. Strike it anywhere.
That didn't work.
Well, that's the countertop. Don't strike it there. Strike it anywhere.
That didn't work at all.
Oh, I think you broke it.
What nonsense is this?
Canteen. I don't think we're gonna need that with the water jug. Gone. And this is more nesting pots and pans sort of things.
And more nesting?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna borrow these matches. Oh wow, that's a real fire.
This may be redundant of our other pots and pans, so this one may not make the cut. So we bought some net things off of Amazon. They're actually supposed to go in the back of your car, and they like Velcro to the back of your car so you can put stuff in there, which I have no idea how they would stay on when you put stuff in there, but whatever. I think instead what we're going to do is sink some screws through them, and then we can put stuff like up there.
Maybe some
we're gonna pause on organizing. We're gonna build a front from this real quick.
Well, we made progress. We know what's going in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Basically kitchen things, cutlery and plates and nesting things. Each person gets their own pan.
Yeah. So let's talk about the table real quick.
So the
table's gonna be the front of the box, right?
Yeah.
So unfortunately we have to go around this now because someone put a handle there.
It's a very nice handle.
But we could just do like a little cutout
Yeah.
table. And then I was thinking steel frame, like steel legs or whatever. And then we could have a magnet in so it doesn't mount. Like, you know, those big magnets, we could do like one in each corner or something. And then it trunk goes in.
So how tall is the table?
I'd say it's about this tall.
Okay. So it's like a low
So
table.
like a little coffee table.
Low table. Okay.
So
So
we
close
need-
this back up and measure it probably.
Well, if we measure, we'll just get it wrong.
That's true. We should do this
What
without
if we just
measurements.
cut a piece of wood a random size? It'd probably work out.
It would work out better than if we measured it. That's true. Onward. To the table.
Onward. So now that we're done with our table legs, we are not going to connect them in the middle. Blah, 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 blah. Fail. So now that we're done with our table legs, we are not going to connect them in the middle with this bar because they're too big.
Well, good thing they're not made out of metal or anything.
Yeah, so now we get to cut them apart and do them again. And we have made a box.
A magnet's hold.
Yeah, we put some of these bigger magnets. We only use 2 of them because these are really strong up in the corners. So whenever the table goes in, the metal legs latch the magnets and then your table won't fall out. So now that our table is in here, we can start to accessorize the rest of the kitchen.
Table's in, so just put things behind the table.
Yeah,
Fill things organizationally,
yeah.
some would say.
So now we know where the legs go, so we can start to build out stuff in there. But I think first we're going to take care of this situation right here. So we've got these bungee cords with carabiner things on them. And just like that, we're going to clip it to the strut. And then we need some sort of thing over here to clip it onto. So we're going to take this piece of angle iron here, do a little drilling, and make it into a bracket for the carabiner thing. Clip, clip. Okay, so we got a few things in here. We got our nets up. We made a paper towel holder out of another one of these bungee cords with the clips on it. Cups are looking pretty good up there. I think they're classy. Next up, we're gonna build, we played around with stuff. I think we're just gonna build a shelf that goes up over some bigger stuff that we'll keep down here, then maybe put a lip on it so you can, you know, throw other things in there and they won't, you know, go too far.
It's a little hot out. I'm gonna grab a drink.
And then I think we're gonna get some more of these nets, so we're gonna put some more back here so you can just throw stuff in them, but that'll be later. So next up, shelf thing. And so there you have it. The kitchen now has this shelf thing and some hooks and net things and everything that, well, everything we have that's going in here for now anyways, fits in. The table also fits on top of everything and it all closes up and it's great. Next thing we have to do is take all this out because now we need to take it, sand everything, put the spar urethane on it so it's waterproof, and we'll probably do that off camera because that's just kind of boring.
Yeah, so we do need, maybe one of the last engineering feats is bug protector.
Oh, yeah.
Some sort of preventative, you know, you don't want creatures of the night sneaking in during the night.
Yeah, so I mean there is definitely more to do, but for the kitchen portion I think we're pretty good.
Oh yeah. I mean, the question is, like, have we slid enough or can we slide more? Because as of today, we stopped building out and we started building up.
That is true, and my wife did have one suggestion, which is we could put a slide-out countertop right here, and then we're sliding even more.
Can you do like a slide-out cutting board, or like a drawer? You can keep going. There's at least 10 feet till we get to that wall.
Possibilities are endless.
Well, it's a big day for Sarah.
Yeah, I think this is a big step forward. That's probably the last thing we really had to design, I think. I mean, we're still going to do like a little bit of work on the interior, but for the most part it's just finishing that out. And then how much is left? Well, the exterior for sure. That's going to be, make sure you hit that subscribe button for the exterior because there's going to be a whole lot of Raptor liner and it's going to be some interesting colors that we haven't decided on yet.
We Raptor lined a little bit of stuff recently, and now we want to Raptor line everything.
So all of Sarah Raptor lined soon.
This whole driveway, these cars, everything.
Raptor lined.
Exciting colors. Also, Sarah has a bit of a big day for herself, I would say.
Oh, that is right. This is Sarah's 21st episode, so we should probably celebrate.
She's 21 now.
Her 21st.
Sarah Tara's 21. It's a good thing we built this table. Otherwise, there'd be nowhere to celebrate Sarah's 21st.
And there's only one way to celebrate here at Zero to Awesome. We celebrate our failures and we celebrate our victories with pickle beer, which is terrible.
It's really bad.
Yep. I don't know why we're doing this. You know that cup's still dirty, right?
Yeah. Oh, crap.
Oh my god. My nice table.
Happy birthday, Sarah Tara.
Oh, yes. Cheers to you.
Oh. Gentle. There we go.
And cheers to you. We'll see you next time.
Don't forget, if you like what you saw, subscribe. If you hate what you saw, you should probably still subscribe.
I'm just gonna chug this. Actually, it's so hot, it's not that bad.
The surface area helps me get the scent of the beer before it goes down. Oh yeah, this is actually worse this way.
And we go down, and we go up, and we go down, and we go up. Cinematography.
It's a stove that charges your phone because you need that. You're gonna rummage through your garbage.
Yep. Oh, is this a Mr. Fusion?
Yeah,
It runs off garbage?
that's exactly what it is. Well, I don't know if it's ignited or not.
Boom.
You've had that happen before.
There was one time.
Going.
There was one time where Alan lost his eyebrows.
And most of my arm hair and face hair and part of my face. I'm gonna just gonna let this run in the driveway unattended for a while. Okay, so does anyone, you get an email, and at the bottom of the email it says, consider your environment before printing. Am I the only one who thought that was a security thing? Like your emails have all this boilerplate, and they're like, if you're the unintended recipient, please delete this email. Like, consider your environment before printing. Like, oh, don't print out a very important contract because there could be clients or something in the office. We don't know. No, apparently it's a whole, like, save the environment thing. That's fine, it's okay. I figured that out in my mid-30s, that's cool.
So, now that we're done with our table legs, we can not connect them in the middle, blah, blah, blah. Connect them in the middle because, so now that we're done with our table legs, so now that
Fail.
Fail.
Fail. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice.
At least he has his safety glasses on.